are you supposed to know how you're doing in life? How can you know if you focused on the important stuff? These might seem like strange questions, but I think important ones. I'm going to explain how you can measure your life energies. For your senses, for example, you know you can get an eye test, and that test will reveal how your eyes are doing, the health of your eyes, if you need glasses, for example. Some folks may want to have their hearing tested to see if they need hearing aids. I don't know if there's a similar way to test that your taste buds are working. Maybe there is. Many who have had COVID shared that they've lost the sense of smell. And again, I'm not exactly sure how you test for the sense of smell, but there may be a test for that. You can also test for nerve function by poking your skin with a sharp object, or you can test your reflexes with a rubber hammer hit against just the right spot at your knee. So we already know and use assessments or tests like these in our lives. An assessment is about getting the right information to make a judgment call. And that means we have to figure out how to measure, how to determine what our life energies are all about. So back to my original question, how are you supposed to know how you're doing in life and what's important? I want to offer one way. Now, it's not the only way, but after offering this for many years, it does create accurate reports. This assessment allows you to get to know yourself through the lens of how energy moves through your life. There are energies that are a part of your day-to-day experience when you feel like life is going pretty well. Also, there are stressful energies that are disruptive and even upsetting. Some energies build up while others tear down. You see this reflected in cycles of nature, in biology, where building up energies help organisms grow, and also other functions like decomposition break down cells and tissues return to the earth then as nutrients. Life is like that, both constructive and destructive. But I also need to be clear that this is not the same as muscle or body energy, that kind of testing that lets you know about your muscle strength, measuring muscle strength. Instead, this is the energetics of you, how thoughts, feelings, and behaviors manifest as energy. This assessment produces a report with a lot of great insights and information. We will review your report results so that you can anchor these ideas in your personal experience. Only you can decide if the report is accurate for you, as many have told me over the years. So now we have an answer. We can see a viable way to answer the question, how are you doing in life? We can figure out what is really important. With the right assessment test, we can measure and evaluate an individual's life energies. This gives us valuable information to identify areas of strength and weakness, and ultimately guide decision-making. It's called an Energy Leadership Index Assessment. My name's Daniel Mandel, and I offer these ELI assessments with an expert debrief. You may wonder why the word leadership is in the title. I mean, come on, let me figure out how I'm doing before I jump into a leadership role, right? But leadership in this context is defined as your ability to first trust and lead yourself. So this report will hold up a mirror to show you your energies with and without stress, as well as your ability to trust and lead yourself in life. As I have led folks through the Energy Leadership Index Assessment, or ELI for short, I have had many folks over the past 4 years come away with multiple insights. Some folks then choose to move forward into one-on-one coaching sessions. Others might choose to move into artistic challenge sessions, and those are a lot of fun. Some folks appear on my creative engagement podcast or on an encouragement session episode. If you're ready to get your assessment set up and request a debriefing, just send a message to coach@danielrmandel.com or danielrmandel.com/engage with me. If you have a question, feel free to drop it in the comments. And I also want to ask you to please subscribe and also like this video. It means a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching.